Good morning. Today I am going to start exercise 3.5, page number 62, question number 2, part number 1. Here you have to find out for what value of a and b the following equation will have infinite solution. As you know, for infinite solution, a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2 is equal to c1 upon c2. Here equation is given to x plus 3y equal to 7. Another is a minus b multiplied by x plus a plus b multiplied by y equal to 3x plus b minus 3a plus b minus 2. Now here a1 is in first equation, a1 is 2 and a2 is a minus b, and b1 is 3 and b2 is a plus b, and c1 is 7 and c2 is 3a plus b minus 2. c1 and c2 are the two constant term. First we will multiply a1 in a1 upon a2 equal to b1 upon b2. These two will be multiplied by cross multiplication. It will be 2 multiplied by a plus b and 3 multiplied by a minus b. Then after opening the bracket, it will be 2a plus 2b equal to 3a minus 3b. Then 2a, bring the a terms towards the left hand side. Then 2a minus 3a, 2b minus plus 3b will be equal to 0. Now here it will be minus a plus 5b equal to 0. Then minus a equal to minus 5b. Minus and minus sign will be cancelled. Therefore a equal to 5b will come. This has come equation number 1. Now compare b1 and b2 by c1 and c2. Now b1 was 3 and b2 was a plus b, and c1 was 7 and c2 was a 3a plus b minus 2. After again by cross multiplication, 7 will be multiplied by a plus b and 3 will be multiplied by 3a plus b minus 2. Open the bracket, it will be 7a plus 7b, 9a plus 3b minus 6. Bring the a term and b term towards the left hand side. Then it will be 7a minus 9a plus 7b minus 3b equal to minus 6. After solving, it will come minus 2a plus 4b equal to minus 6. This has come equation number 2. Now put the value of a from equation number 1 in equation number 2. Equation number 1 was this, minus 2a plus 4b equal to minus 6. Then minus 2 in place of a 5b will be written, plus 4b equal to minus 6. Then multiply minus 2 by 5b, it will be minus 10b plus 4b is equal to minus 6. Then minus 6b equal to 6. Then b will be equal to 6 upon 6. Then b value has come 1. Now put the value of b in equation number 1. Here equation number 1 was a equal to 5b. Then a will be equal to 5 into b. In place of b you will put the value of b 1. Then answer will be a will be 5 and b will be 1. In part number 2, there you have to tell for what value of k the following pair of equation will have no solution. As you know, for no solution, a1 upon a2 equal to b1 upon b2, but c not equal to c1 upon c2. Here again a is 3 and a1 is 3 and a2 is 2k minus 1, and b1 is 1 and b2 is k minus 1, and c1 is 1 and c2 is 2k plus 1. Now first we will compare a1 upon a2 to b1 upon b2. When you will cross multiply, then 3 multiplied by k minus 1 and 1 multiplied by 2k minus 1. Then open the bracket, it will be 3k minus 3, then 2k minus 1, then 3k, bring this 2k to left hand side and 3 to right hand side. Then k will be equal to 1. Now compare b1 upon b2 by c1 upon c2. As you know, for no solution, b1 upon b2 is not equal to sign will come, is equal to not equal to c1 upon c2. Then after solving it, it will come to k plus 1 not equal to k minus 1. then 2k, this k will come to left hand side, and this minus is all minus k 1 is already there, and this plus 1 will come from this side, it will be minus 1. Then k will not be equal to minus 2. Therefore, for no solution, the pair of equation, if k will be equal to 2 and k will not be equal to minus 2, if k will be equal to 2 and k will not be equal to minus 2, the following pair of the above pair of linear equation will have no solution. I hope these two are important questions and you have understood. I have explained in the class also.